Morena tātou, kei ngata kāreti tātou I tēnei rā, mo te whakarewatanga o te whakari Ruatepupuke. Hara mai, te tiro, te whakarongo ki a rātou whakari. Kei takutaha ko Ruatepupuke. How were the nerves today? You had rehearsals yesterday.
I can tell you nerves were at an all-time high, above me, obviously. But after I got on that stage and it all went away slowly. After I put the cloak on, I got a lot hotter and then good stuff started coming out. So it went great.
About all the mahi that you guys put into to get to this point.
Oh, we put a lot of mahi in, especially the last 3 weeks. We were just full day rehearsals. And it was just worked out in the end.
Ki taku taha ko matua wi wharehinga. Kia ora. You've seen all the hard mahi that these rangatahi have put into this play. How does it feel to see them up there today?
Yeah, I had a bit of a tear in my eye there, and in some of those scenes, I was just proud, just proud and emotional, and all of those emotions were coming to play when they were up there. You know, they took me on the journey as well, even though it's, there was some, angry scenes where I was like, wow, and then, and then the sad ones, and then, it was awesome. It was primo to see our kids just flourishing in this mahi.
The Maruru was next Pasha, Wek. Next was Mangopari. Rua strikes the hammerhead split that into two. Manuruhi is turned back into flesh and the spell is broken. Rua grabs some of the pōwhakaaro from the outside of the whare to return back to his people. Unfortunately, the pōwhakaaro inside the whare burnt in the fire.
Tēnā koe I whai wāhi ki te kōrero ki a tātou. Tēnā kōrero mai mō whakaaro mo tēnei whakaari.
Kei whea mai te pai o tēnei whakaari, te nui o te mahi, kei te kitea te mahi, whakapau wera a ngā tamariki me ngā kaiako, tēnei wāhi hoki I tō kuhunga mai ka rongo koe I te wairua o te whakaari, no reira, tēnō, nui ngā mihi.